Cynosure here once more. Got everything in this bag. So first off, oh my gosh, we got some inches. Gorgeous highlighted. We were so jumping night still. I got that. I got a wig cap. I got a Cynosure head scarf. And lastly, I got a pair of lashes. So that's everything that came in our bag today. Let's see this gorgeous wig. Look at what we got ourselves here. This is a gorgeous body wave 26-inch 200% density lace front wig. It is 13 by 4, has a medium brown lace. Inside looks pretty good. No standard cap, 4 combs in total and adjustable straps in the back. Yeah, it's feeling really soft. It's nice and silky, and as you can see, it's a highlighted wig. Really nice, really nice. It's full right to the tip, so I love that. Let's go ahead and get started on this. The ear portion usually come a little bit too long for me, so I don't usually mind cutting off the excess. It's best it come that way than it comes shorter and then it doesn't fit well. That's just annoying. So yeah, fits the head nicely. Love that. So I usually cut away over the eyes because I don't want it to get in my eye. Guys, so doing this whole thing with I tie down the lace after I apply my adhesive with the elastic. I like to do it like this and then cut away the excess lace. Just makes life so much easier, and then I can go in and cut away, you know, fine tune it and get the bits and pieces that needs to be cut. So while the elastic band is around it, that helps it to get more melted, and in the meantime I just take my hot comb, my wax stick, and I just kind of lay it before I remove that. You guys know what I need? I need to definitely get a brand new crimper. I have a crimper, but I feel like it doesn't get. You know which crimper I did want? But when I go, due to yesterday it was posted, and when I went on the site, it was all sold out. Argante. Like when I post a video, them it's just so satisfying. how the hair crimps so easily. And it just look luscious and nice. But right now, I want the crimper right now. Some of the things I can't even deal with for go order none online. Too long, it probably gonna take for reach me. So I'm probably just going to try to find it in a store here. Hopefully crimps well. But yeah, I want a crimper. Cause like right now, I would so crimp up this wig. I mean, I could use the one I have, but as I say, now fire, you know it now. Oh. As you can see, I'm just laying the top here. You know, I really love how it's looking here. It does look a little crimpish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to just recurl the front like I usually do with a lot of my body waves when I get them. I haven't like done up my edges as yet, so I'm just gonna remove the elastic band and do that now before I jump into doing the front of the hair. Yeah, I know, but it's really nice, you know, give it classic center part vibes. It's looking really good. As I said, I don't remember if I said, but I actually do like this color job a lot. And I didn't curl right throughout it because I wasn't really going for that vibe, but I wanted that nice little, you know, swoosh in the front. So that's what I did. It's really nice and fluffy. I must say, yes, I definitely got shedding from it. And that's something I realized with most processed like hair slash wigs that I get, like they definitely shed, but it's to what level that the hair is shedding that you determine how good or bad it is, right? So please bear that in mind. But it does shed, but it's not like excessive, okay? So yeah, and that could have been accelerated as well because I did cut the sides as you saw in the beginning. So yeah, that's how I'm looking. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check that out if you're interested to get this for yourself, you know, for the holidays. Guys, also don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Vlogmas is going on over there. As soon as December 1st starts, we're live. Okay, we are gonna be live, so go ahead, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, share the channel, tell everybody. I'm gonna be having giveaways. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.